Hi students, how are you? Hope you're all fine. Yes, in the last class we discussed about location of India under the chapter Indian relief features. Yes, so in the last class we discussed about where in which latitudes and longitudes is India located, and also I have assigned you to find out in which latitudes, between what latitudes and longitudes we have Telangana. Yes children, so today we will be dealing with our next topic of the first lesson, that is major relief divisions. What are the major relief divisions that are present in India? First one is Himalayas, second one is Indo-Gangetic Plain, third is Peninsular Plateau, fourth the coastal plains, fifth the desert, sixth the islands. Okay, these are the major relief divisions. Now if we see the map of India on a rough basis, okay, this is the coastal plain, okay, and here we will be having islands, and this part is the Peninsular Plateau, okay, and here we will be having Himalayas. Yes students, these are the major relief divisions. So first we need to know how Himalayas are formed. Okay, so earlier what happened is the whole world was existing as a one big land mass. Total world is like a whole land mass, completely without any continent being divided. It was a whole big huge land mass surrounded by water. See, surrounded by water. So what happened due to the collision, due to internal force, this whole land mass got divided into two pieces. What happened? Got divided into two pieces. This whole landmass is called as Pangaea. And this, when it got divided into two land masses, water entered. What happened? It got water entered, and this sea is formed. This is called Tethys Sea. What is it called as? Tethys Sea. So this part of land is Angara, and this one is known as Gondwana. And our Indian Peninsular Plateau is part of Gondwana land. This peninsula existed in Gondwana region. Yes children. So what happened is, how are the Himalayas formed then? We have Eurasian plate here. Okay. Or Laurasia. This Angara is also known as Laurasia. This Laurasia, here this Eurasian plate, and here this Gondwana collided with each other. What is that collided with each other? In what way did they collide? When two things come close to each other, they got collided and young folded mountains are formed. They are known as Himalayas. This is the way the Himalayas are formed. I can show you in the form of a paper how the Himalayas are formed. If you can see this, if you just take two pieces of paper children, what happens is, when these two plates, imagine this is a Eurasian plate and this is Gondwana. When these two plates come and collided, see, a fold occurred, and this region, young folded mountains are formed. If you can see this, see, when two plates come and collided, this place got raised and it got folded. So here we have young folded mountains which are known as Himalayas. This region and this region moved together and they got collided, and in between we form this Himalayas. Yes? Thank you.